Hi everyone, I thought I'll just do a short video on something I've come across on the NASA Visualization Studio, and it's a really interesting video about a black hole essentially eating its companion star, and it's what's thought to cause and create these long gamma ray bursts. Now there's a few different types of gamma ray bursts. You've got short ones and long ones, and maybe I'll do a separate video pointing out the two different types. This is a fairly kind of rare and highly energetic event. So here you've got your black hole, and it's in an orbit with a smaller star, and it's essentially pulled off its outer layers, and it will, over a few orbits, essentially engulf or swallow, or I suppose merge with that particular star, and that will then create a massive energetic event with high energy gamma rays being produced, and it causes quite a long gamma ray burst compared to the shorter versions. And the good thing about those is that you can actually see them for very long distances. So these are some of the most distant events that we can actually observe, I suppose. And I've actually only just recently finished my module where we actually mentioned about gamma ray bursts. So maybe next year this video will be kind of like a good addition to that, because it gives a really good visualization of what's actually going off there and how we get those kind of gamma ray bursts. But anyway, this is kind of one of those particular examples, scenarios where you can get a long gamma ray burst, and it's quite energetic. And if you can actually see, I'll let you kind of watch the final bit of this one anyway and see the actual gamma rays being produced.